In this video, I'm going to show you how to do filter groups, a new feature Notion introduced in mid 2020. So we're going to take a to-do list and imagine you want to create a filter that is important tasks. And the way we would define important is three ways. They're overdue, they're due soon, or they've been tagged as high priority. So that would be effectively an or statement between those three conditions. But here's a little nuance. We also don't want to show any task that's done, and that would be an end statement. So we need to combine or and end statements. And so we're going to do that using filter groups. So here's my task manager, my to-do list. We go into filter and we add our first filter group. So the first filter group is going to be things that are overdue. So I go to due date, and the due date is before today. So anything before today is overdue, right? But here's a little catch, right? This sign up for library card is done, so we actually want that to be eliminated as well. So what we would do is inside our group, we would add a filter, not a group, a filter that says and done is not checked. So it got rid of that one, okay? So that's things that are overdue. Now we're going to add things that are due soon. So that's an or. So we add another filter group, which is an or. And that filter would then, see, it adds everything, right? Because we've expanded the condition set. So we go in, and now we go, again, the due date. Now, instead of overdue, we want to see is within the next week. Okay, so it added some tasks. But once again, there's another one that's due within the next week, arranged for picnic, that has a check that is already done. So again, we add a filter in our group that's an and the filter says done is not checked. All right, so it got rid of that one checked one. All right, we're making some good progress here. We add another filter, and see, when you add another filter, you can only keep that top level. So they can only be or statements at the top level or and statements at the top level, but then you can play inside it with the opposite sign. So this last one is priority is high. But once again, there are a few with checkboxes. So we're going to go in, now you know the drill, and done is not empty. So it knocks all of them out. That is the power of nested filtered views.